Hello YouTube. Today we will be building Lego set 31084, like I've said in the past couple of episodes. It's a 3-in-1 and we're building the big roller coaster. Today we are doing steps 81 to 95, I think. I'm not sure. I'll tell you. I think I'll tell you at the end. Okay. Right. First step, we need to get these pieces. We need to place One minute, YouTube. Place them stacked on top of each other. 2 on top of each other here. It looks like it's on the very back one, but it's the yellow rim where the white blocks are. And we place the gold cup on the brown one there. Now we need to get let's get the pieces. We need to get these pieces. Don't know if you can see them very well. We insert the door frame into the frame. We put the golden thing on it. We place the door there, I think. Yep. And we place the arch over here. Now we need to let me just get the pieces. These pieces. So first bit we can do, put that golden thing or yellow, whatever colour it is, see-through, and place it in there, and then place the top like that, and we place that here like that. We place this here so it's hanging off the edge like that. We place the smooth bit at the back. Now we need to get these pieces. We need to place it there, and a tiny bit on the smooth bit, one block is kind of, and place that there. We need to get these pieces. We need to place these 2 pieces at the front. We need to place the brick here and the white bit there. Now we need to get can't find the piece. Found it. We need to get these pieces, and we need to place them there. Now we need to get a lot of pieces. We need to get beam and just get the pieces. One minute each. Can't pause it. We need to get. Now we need to get. Let me just break all the pieces down. Let's hope I can get them in my hands. Now we need to get these pieces. Let's start with the cannon. We get the red bit and we put these two on the bottom of it with those facing out. And then put the wheels on, even though it doesn't say. And I inserted the wheels on the wrong way around. Let's see. I'm trying not to pause the video this episode. Oh, come on. Right. And then you insert the cannon in it like that. It clicks onto the top bit. It should. Right, now we need to get can't find I'm looking for another piece, but I can't find it because it's secret. Found it. Now we need to get these pieces. We place the see-through bit on the camera bit there. Then we place the spanner in the bottom bit. Insert it like that. Then we get that. Click it. And then over here, we get the camera and get it facing out like that. We need to get these pieces, place the corner bit at each corner. It will work without this all falling down like it has a couple of times. Then we get 3 of these and place them all sloped down, facing out to there. It should look like that. And then it pops up with this step, but we've already done that. So it doesn't matter. Now we need to make a palm tree, it looks like. Or a tree. Of some sort. So we need to get... Let me just get the pieces. Can't find the piece. The last piece. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I'm going to have to look in the other pile for it. found it. The piece. Now we need to get these pieces. We need to get these two, attach it, the black bit on top, then attach these to this read instruction. Wait, I've got 4 pieces. We also need these pieces. Then we attach these to the end of all of them. And now we attach this and attach it there like that. And that's what all 4 of the branches should look like. Now we attach them to this here, and you push them down like that, I think. Yeah, you can have them up like that, however you like them, but the instructions say have them down, and it also looks better, I think, down. And it doesn't say where to place it. So let's just hold on to that. We attach it down here. Yeah. Goes in without destroying these. I'm just literally just going to lift them up quickly. It may be easier if you lift them up, get it in. Yeah, there we go. It's in. Now we need to get these pieces. With the poles, we put them on like that, and we just put it lightly on the top. One of them goes here, the other one goes here. Nope, no. And now we need to place the white bit, the yellow bit on top of the red bit, and just place that like that. Oh, by the way, the flags can point in any direction you want them to. Get those to face away from that. Get the slight piece to face away from it. And you also place the yellow or gold bit, I think it's yellow, on the bottom of the red bit, and that's supposed to be a parrot, I think. A little parrot, and we place that there. Oh, by the way, it looks like that. And now we get these 2 pieces And let's figure out where this goes. I think it goes here. Yeah, it goes here. We place that there, then we place the grey bit, which connects it, like that, it should be. Then we get these pieces, and we place the blue there with two either side. Then we place the peach pieces underneath. I'll show you what this totally looks like at the end. I don't really want to lift it and break it. End of the video, not end of this step. You can do it the way the instructions say. That's how I would have do it. Okay. Cool. And then I can't find all the pieces. What's the piece? Let's just get all the other pieces. We need to get these pieces. There's 4 of them, but I've only found 3. Look, I'll do it without that for the meanwhile. We place the blue slopes on the edge, then, and we also place this long bit there. We place the 4-piece in the middle. I actually didn't look at the instructions. We place the black bits, the furthest bit from the big section we've been building, first away, and place that there. And yeah, should look like that, but I need to find that piece. I'm just putting some pieces overboard on my other set, and I can't find any. Right, as I can't find any, let's move on to, I think this is our last step. I don't know if it is. We need these pieces. We place the 3-piece, which is an odd colour, there. Then we place the 1-piece there. Wait, I don't know if you can see it. I'll aim it more, turn back camera, and place that there. I have some leftover pieces. Yeah, we don't go on. Yeah, that's all our steps for today. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next episode.